The Subconscious Mind and Marital Problems, based on The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Can love be created through the mind? Do you believe that harmony in marriage is just about luck, chemistry, or compatibility? What if I told you that your relationship struggles, or the kind of partner you attract, are deeply influenced by your subconscious programming? In today's video, we'll explore Chapter 14 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, which dives into one of the most sensitive and transformative topics: how your subconscious mind affects your love life, and how to use it to create or restore a happy, fulfilling marriage. Get ready to understand why some people keep attracting the wrong partners, how your mind can either sabotage or save your relationship, and powerful techniques to build a conscious, loving, and lasting union. Let's get started. A marriage is more than emotion, it's mental programming. Murphy opens the chapter by explaining that marriage isn't just a physical or emotional connection. It's a partnership of spiritual and mental energies. When two people unite, their convictions, beliefs, and subconscious expectations unite as well. That's why marriage can become a paradise of love, mutual growth, and peace, or a psychological battlefield full of blame, silence, and distance. Marriage is, above all, a mental and spiritual union. Joseph Murphy. Your subconscious attracts your partner. According to Murphy, many people attract the wrong partner because they're unconsciously projecting their inner wounds, fears, and limiting beliefs. For example, a woman who believes all men cheat will likely attract a man who proves her right. A man who feels unworthy of love often ends up with someone emotionally unavailable. Someone who fears being alone might settle for a toxic relationship just to avoid solitude. Your subconscious always manifests what you truly believe about love and about yourself. Real love starts within. Murphy strongly states, you'll only find harmony and love when you're at peace with yourself. Before looking for the ideal partner, you must heal past emotional wounds, forgive previous relationships, let go of negative beliefs about love, cultivate true self-love and worthiness. Your ideal partner isn't someone who completes you, but someone who joins you in your fullness. Attracting the right partner. Using your mind, Murphy shares a powerful method for attracting a loving, balanced, and compatible partner. Technique: visualizing the ideal partner. Every day, close your eyes for a few minutes. Visualize a partner with the qualities you value: loving, loyal, kind, respectful. Feel their presence as if they're already with you. Affirm mentally, divine intelligence knows exactly where my perfect partner is. We are now being drawn to each other naturally and perfectly. Our relationship is harmonious, blessed, and full of love. Then release the thought. Trust the process. Avoid desperation. The subconscious works best with peace and faith. Why so many marriages fail. Murphy outlines some mental and emotional causes of marital breakdown. 1. Unrealistic expectations. People enter relationships hoping their partner will fix their emotional wounds or be their source of happiness. 2. Negative subconscious communication. Thoughts like, he never changes, or she's so cold, act as subconscious commands, reinforcing that behavior. 3. Guilt and resentment buildup. Unforgiven pain poisons the relationship even in silence. 4. Subconscious role reversals. Some people unconsciously seek to control or be controlled in relationships, creating imbalance and dysfunction. How to heal a marriage through the mind. Even when things seem hopeless, Murphy says that healing is possible by working with the subconscious mind. Technique 1. Silent affirmation before sleep. Each night, take a deep breath and mentally affirm, God's love heals and unites our marriage. Harmony reigns between us. We forgive, understand, and choose to walk in peace and love. This twilight state is ideal for subconscious reprogramming. Technique 2. Rewriting your image of your partner. Most couples unknowingly reinforce negative mental images of each other. Start visualizing your spouse with affection, warmth, and light. Give thanks for their strengths, even if they're hidden beneath layers of stress. This energetic shift can deeply affect the relationship dynamic. Real stories of marital transformation. Case 1. The wife who saved her marriage with affirmations. A woman constantly said, "My husband is cold, rude, and distant." Murphy invited her to affirm instead, "My husband is loving, gentle, and attentive. I feel safe and happy with him." At first she didn't believe it, but she kept repeating it. In a few weeks, her husband began showing more affection without her nagging or pushing. Case 2. The man who always attracted the wrong women. He thought he had bad taste in partners. Murphy uncovered that he believed good women won't love someone like me. With consistent affirmations and visualization, he reprogrammed his mind. Within a year, he met someone aligned with his vision and built a stable, joyful relationship. Beware of repeating patterns. Beware of repeating. Murphy warns, if you keep facing the same conflicts in different relationships, the problem is within your subconscious. You can change partners, but unless you heal your inner programming, the same emotional patterns will resurface. That's why the solution is to heal your mental image of love. Replace beliefs like "love hurts" or "I always get left." Implant new truths like "I am worthy of love" and "love is safe and joyful." Marriage as a mirror of the soul. Your relationship often reflects the parts of you that need to be acknowledged, healed, or evolved. If you attract controlling partners, maybe it's time to reclaim your voice. If you feel emotional coldness, perhaps you've disconnected from your own heart. If you face constant conflict, it may be a call to express unspoken pain. Murphy invites us to view marriage not just as romance, but as a sacred school for emotional and spiritual growth. Spiritual marriage, union with the divine. The most important marriage, according to Murphy, is with your inner self and divine intelligence. When you are married to inner peace, you attract everything aligned with it. Joseph Murphy. This inner union makes you whole, more confident, less needy for outside validation, and more capable of building true love. Powerful affirmations for love and healing. Use these affirmations daily to transform your love life. I am a channel of love and peace. I attract harmonious relationships. Divine presence guides my heart and my choices. I forgive and am forgiven. I release the past with gratitude. I deserve a sincere, joyful, committed love. My subconscious mind works in my favor. The right love is already on its way. The final secret to true love. If there's one message in this chapter, it's this: true love is born from inner harmony. Joseph Murphy. Relationships aren't just built with words and actions, but with thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and faith. When you use your subconscious mind as your ally in love, you attract better people, you heal current relationships, and most importantly, you learn how to truly love and respect yourself. Your love life begins in your mind. You have the power to transform your relationships from the inside out. The love you seek already exists. A happy marriage isn't a fantasy. It's a natural outcome when your mind and heart are aligned. You deserve a relationship that is healthy, inspiring, peaceful, long-lasting, and consciously created. Start today. The seed is already in your mind. If this video inspired you, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who deserves a more conscious love life. Drop a comment below. Are you looking to attract new love or heal your current relationship? Which of today's techniques will you start using? And if you want me to bring the next chapter, the subconscious and divorce, just comment, "Bring chapter 15. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, when your mind loves, your life blossoms. Love relationship.